Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add options menu in your Sketchware project. So this is my project in which I will add options menu, and I will be using the code provided on this Android developers website. So here you can see that first we have to create menu.xml file. Okay, and we have to put code which is something like this. So it contains this menu tag and inside that item tag. So here I will just copy this and go to Sketchware, and in this I will go to resource, and here I will go to menu folder, and here I will create my XML file. So I will name it main underscore menu dot XML. So inside this I will just paste the code which I copied. So in Android, in Sketchware, there is one problem with this code, that here we have defined XMLNS Android. So we can use this Android here, but we have not defined app, so we cannot use app here. So we will remove this part of the code. Okay, because it will not work. So now we are left with Android ID, Android icon and Android title for each of the items. So for first item, the ID is new underscore game. We can change it to anything else if we want. Like here I will change it to add. Okay, and I will change the drawable to IC underscore add underscore new and Android title. So we can either directly write the title here, or we can add the title in strings.xml folder. So here I will add it in strings.xml folder, and I will name it as add underscore new. Okay, so title is add underscore new and icon is IC underscore add underscore new and ID is add. Okay, next the second ID, we will let it be help and drawable IC underscore help and title help. Okay, and if we have to add more items, then you can just copy this okay, you have to just copy this part. It is very difficult to copy in this and paste it. So once done with this, we can change the ID. Like we will write it as delete and drawable will be IC underscore delete, and this thing will be delete. Okay, string slash delete. Now we will save this, and we will add these titles in the strings.xml file. So the titles are add underscore new, delete and help. So now we will go to values folder, and inside this strings.xml folder, and here we will add those two things. So we will just copy this and then we will add these three. Actually we have to add three things. So first one was, okay, one of them was help. So here I will write help Then one of them was add underscore new. So for this I will write the text add new text, and we need one more, so I will copy this. So third one was delete. So here I've added the titles of all those menu items. Now I will save this. Okay, let's go back to main underscore menu.xml. So here you can see that we also have to add the icons drawable. So IC underscore add underscore new, IC underscore help, and IC underscore delete. We have to add icons with these names. So now we will go back to image, and here we already have IC underscore help. This is wrong, so we will delete this. So now we will add white icons of this symbol. So we will change it to IC underscore add underscore new. Save. Okay, and then we will add delete icon. So I don't know where delete item is. Yeah, this one, IC underscore delete, and one more thing is IC underscore help. So for help we will add any of these things. Like here I will add this IC underscore help and save this. So now we have these three icons. Okay, and we can run the project and see what it shows. That it will not show it. So then we have to add on create options menu. So here I will add this on create options menu and on options item selected. Inside this, now we go back here. Okay, here it shows how we can add sub menu. Like here we have the menu. Inside this we have one item called file, and inside that there is one more menu tag, and inside this menu tag there are two items, okay, which are create new and open with their own title and IDs, and after that these tags are closed. So we can do this also, but here we are not doing this. So here we have to add this on create options menu. So this is the code for on create options menu, and in Sketchware this part is already added and this return part is already added. So we only have to add the menu inflator for these two lines. So we will copy this and paste it in Sketchware in on create options menu. So I have already tried this and there was one error because of these extra spaces. So we have to remove these spaces from here. Okay, and then we can add our own spaces, so then it will work, but the spaces which we copied will not work. So here we have to change this game underscore menu to the name of our menu.xml file. So in our case it is main underscore menu. Okay, and rest of the things will remain same. So this will create the options menu, and then we have on options item selected. So here we can use if then block, if and is equal to block. So if id is equal to, and then this number block, and here we can write the id r dot id dot. So one of the id was add. So in this case I will just write some text in edit text 1. So set text, I'll set the text you clicked on add new. Okay, then I will copy this 3 times because I have 3 options menu items. One more was help, so here I will write you clicked on help, and the third one was delete. You can perform any other action whatever you want using your own block here. So here I will just add you clicked on delete. Okay, so these are the 3 items, means these are the actions which I perform when the items are clicked. Okay, you can also use title, but here I've used id. Now let's check this. Now it is installed, and you can see options menu at the top right corner, and when I click on that it shows these 3 menu items: add new text, help, and delete. So when I click on add new text, it's in edit text field it displays you clicked on add new. When I click on help, it displays you clicked on help, and when I click on delete it says you clicked on delete, but the menu icons are not displayed here. So that we will deal in some other video, but it was a waste of time adding the menu items. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.